today, Kona and Mommy will be making sushi. So I'll be making sushi with my 1-year-old baby edition. So I'll be making 2 types of sushi, probably with kimchi first. And then the next one would be like the kid edition, like the ham and egg. So first, I'm gonna talk about our ingredients na kinakain na ni Kona kanina pa. Ano to, Kona? This is kimchi. Kanina niya pa kinakain. Kahit makahang, go. Yes. Ito, ano to? Dahon. Dahon-dahon. Chia seeds. This is chia seed just to, sprinkle. Ham and egg, again, for kids edition sushi. We have this sauce and sauce right here na binigay lang ng kapitbahay namin for sushi. And this is Kona's apple. Imo apple, oh. Yum na, di ba? And I'm really grateful that I have this set. I bought this like a year ago, probably. The one that I could roll and make sushi. I have like spatula. I have a lot of this. Pero ginhampangan na ni Kona. Ato. Never mind. And don't forget nori. So, this is what nori is. And, okay lang. Maglaro si Kona dyan. So, this is the rice. Okay. So, let's put a little bit of vinegar. Yung tama lang. Yum. This is the first time I'll be making sushi with Kona. Nagkakalat. Pero still, hopefully, paano mo i-mash? Kon? Tulungan mo si Mami dito. Magaling ka mag-mash eh. Paano? Ganyan, no? Very good. Very good. Galing ni Kona. Okay na? Naku po, pagtapos nito, for sure. So ba? Tignan mo siya. Kita? Oops! Walang kamay. Spatula lang. Paano? Very good! No hands. Ito lang. Very good! Very good! Nori. Smells so good. I bought this just for 110 pesos. Okay. Ewan ko kung okay pa si Kona. Apple. Apple, Ano gusto mo kainin? So, I'm gonna put rice na. And hopefully, it will stick. Not too much and not... Talagang tumayo na si Kona sa lamisa. Ganun na siya ka-yum-yum. Namit ne, Kon. Okay.
Tagalinis lang po.
Tagalinis lang sila dyan. Ng kalat ni Kona. Tingnan mo ko, no? Okay, ito na po. Nagkakagulo na po tayo. Ito na. Umiiyak na. Nagkakagulo na. Bang. Kaya kasi gusto ni Kona. I think, i-try natin muna, Kona, yung ano. Gusto mo niyan? Ganyan? Gusto mo? Masyado siyang nasadyahan. So, try ko ni. Kimchi. Ilagay first. And, oo nga. Masaya siya. Sige, Kun. Go. Go. Yay!
Hamot ba?
Yan na, i-roll ko na. Hopefully, pag-roll ko is mayum-mayuman. Kasi hindi ako kabalo mag-roll. Tuod lang gid. Kahit may roller ako, hindi takon kabalo. Dapat dyan paano?
Dapat.
Or dapat dito ako
Hindi palapit mo
gets ko na.
Palapit-lapit mo pa.
Tapos, ganyan.
Hindi
Ganyan. Okay, I gotcha. Tadan-dadan! Wow! We make first
Tapos
sushi!
Tapos i-cut-cut na.
Oo, ikat-kat na lang. Yes! Nakarolyo tayo, Kon. Okay? Ah! Nakarolyo tayo, oh. Later ko na lang ika-cut kasi katabi ko si Kona, baka iba makat. Hello again. Now I'm done with the sushi. Finally, after like 10,000 years. Making sushi with baby is hard. But still, here we are. We have sushi already. Sushi already. And I look so tired already. And I'll let Ralph John eat it. Kona, eat it. And of course, I'm gonna eat it because I'm really hungry.
Ito?
Oo. Try mo nga na kimchi.
Magigim.
Left.
Kahang?
Kahan.
Go! Kang kahang? Anghang?
There you go. Si Kona nga kumakain yan eh.
Sarap ma. Pero manghang?
Oh. Oh, hawakan mo. Sabihin mo kay mami ano lasa, ha? Nyam-nyam?
Wow!
Ay, nyam-nyam. Isa pa?
Feel na feeling.
Yeah.
Isa pa? Ayaw na?
Siyempre,
Ah.
mom!
Sarap, sarap.
Wow. See? Ubos ni Kon. I think Kona already really like it. So it's time for me to try. I like to try what I've done. The kimchi one. Oh my god. Ang sarap!
Diba?
Masarap kaya. See? Sobrang addict. So, sobrang sarap. Mama. Gusto mo pa? Okay, thank you everyone for watching this. And I hope nasadyahan gid ka mo nga makita ang 1-year-old baby eating kimchi and sushi. That he really loves it. Kona really loves it. For now, bye-bye. And see you on my next video.